Meaning of hairdresser.
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 Hairdresser. A hairdresser is a professional who specializes in cutting, styling, and coloring hair. They typically work in salons or barbershops and provide services such as shampooing, blow-drying, and hair treatments. Hairdressers may also offer advice on hair care and recommend products to their clients. They must be skilled in using various tools and techniques to achieve the desired hair look. Good communication skills are also important as they need to understand and fulfill their clients' requests. Overall, hairdressers play an important role in helping people feel confident and happy with their appearance.